Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Yeah, it is a cold, wet, and rainy day today. Yeah, man, it's a cold, wet, and rainy day today in Georgia. Yeah, man, I can't believe today, Saturday, it's raining from last night to this morning. You can see outside. Yeah, rainy day, you know? Yeah, man, I'm just here chilling in this Saturday morning. Yeah, try to hold the vibes and everything. I just come here to big up all my subscribers, there, you know? All of my subscribers. Just keep on watching our video, you know? Yeah, if you new, thank you for subscribe to us, you know? Yeah, thank you for subscribe to us. Yeah, you just join our family, you know? And keep on watching and support us, you know? And share it and like it. And all to all of my return subscriber, yeah man, respect again to come back and watching our video, you know? For real. Yeah man, today very bleaky and wet. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up look outside, you know? Stay tuned. You see that? The rain is falling outside. Very wet, you know? Real. Out in the woods store there. My neighbors them out there. Yeah. A wet day. I don't think it'll stop today, you know? I think it's all day rain. So you guys stay tuned till later. I don't know if I'm gonna cook. Maybe I cook something for you guys where you guys can try it at home. I will just wait till Ann get home and have a chat with Ann, you know? Reason with Ann and stuff. Ask her some questions, pull her legs a little bit. You guys will see that, okay? So stay tuned till later. Okay, guys, I'm back in the kitchen. Jamaica kitchen, you know? Milo and kitchen. So I'm back in the kitchen. So I'm just cooking up something real fast, you know? So I'm gonna show you guys about it, you know? Yeah, man, stay tuned. All right, guys. See what I'm cooking here? Brown stew, chicken feet, and chicken neck. Just a little something real fast, you know? Yeah, if we put on in our belly and our stomach, you know? Yeah, man. And over here, I have some white bean cooking. So I'm gonna cook that with some rice and some coconut milk in it. Yeah, man. So it's that going down today in this rainy day, you know? Yeah, just cook up something real quick and show you guys, you know? You don't know, it's a boy, Chef Milo here, you know? I don't know. I might make all in one. If you guys know what I'm talking about. All in one. Yeah. Cook up the peas and everything. And then put it in the brown stew, chicken neck, you know? And chicken feet. And then I pour the rice in it and make it simmer down. Okay? I might do that, guys. So look out for that. Yeah, man. All in one. Yeah, man. Look, come on. All right, guys. Check it. So now, let's stir up the brown stew, chicken feet and chicken neck. So I'm gonna pour in here water, ketchup, and barbecue sauce mixed up together. So I'm gonna pour it in to finish cook the brown stew chicken neck and chicken feet. I think it need a little more water, so I'm gonna put it in. Yeah, man. Yeah, just like that, guys. Yeah, just like that. Make it cook for 10 minutes. After that, me pour some coconut milk in it to the rice. So I decide that I'm gonna make an all-in-one. You know? All-in-one food. Rice, white bean with brown stew, chicken neck and chicken feet with coconut milk. So that's all in one. Okay, guys? So, guys, stay tuned. Check in again, guys, for the all in one. So now, I'm pouring some coconut milk. See that? I'm gonna show you how it looks. See? Alright. So after that, simmer down a little bit. I'm gonna pour the bean then. And then we add the rice last. See bean over here cooking. As soon as the bean like half cook, I pour it in here, make it finish cook. Okay? Yeah, man, so you guys just stay tuned. Check in again, guys. Alright, decide to put some sweet potato in it too. So I'm gonna peel the potato and cut it up in here. Remember this one is all in one. I'm supposed to put sweet pepper, green, yellow, and red sweet potato, sweet pepper, but I don't have any now. An onion, but it's still going down, you know. Alright, cut up this one. Yeah, yes, that's just make it downstairs, you know. And then one more. One more sweet potato. gonna wash them and put them in the pot. So we open the pot for now. Remember guys, I'm making all in one. Run over nice. Stir it. So stay tuned for the bean to go in. Check in again guys. Here I'm washing the rice, you know. Remember to wash your rice when you cook. Wash all rice. Jasmine rice, long grain rice. Wash all of them. All of them need to wash to get that starch off the rice, you know. Remember them thick rice and rice dirty. Rice is not clean. You have to wash it. See the rice here? Just a little rice, you know? For the all-in-one. What's going on, Pops?
Yeah, same.
Pops over there.
I think I messed up your stuff.
No, they were watching you.
Oh,
Control the microwave.
microwave?
Yeah. This is going to the world, man. They already know you, you know? All my subscribers and everything.
That's a everyday thing, huh?
Yeah. Just try to put up a video every day, you know? Yeah, man, that's Pops. Me and Pops in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Pops over there.
Yeah. Pops,
Yeah.
get some groceries. Put some
Yeah.
groceries away.
Yeah. 2 old scout, you know? What do you think?
Huh? Yeah,
Yeah. All right. So you guys stay tuned for the bean, you know? Check in again, guys. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna strain the water off of the bean, the white bean, where I can put it in the pot where the bean can catch the color, the brown stew and everything. All that flavor, the bean need to catch it, you know. So it's already half cooked. So I'm gonna strain the water off, you know. I don't know if you guys can see properly. But I'm over here straining the water. Alright. All the water strain off the bean. See right here? That's a white bean. Yeah. So you guys stay tuned. Alright. Before I do that, let me pour the bean. Make it catch color. Right over here. Yeah, man, everything looking nice. Alright, so I'm gonna put in the bean. Just start. So the bean all finished cook here. And catch a color, the brown stew, the coconut milk, and all that seasoning, you know? So everything looking beautiful. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. 1 Milo. Chef Milo here. Don't play around with Chef Milo, you hear me? Yeah. I'm at work, so don't worry. I'm here in the Jamaica kitchen. Yeah, man, respect. Alright guys, check in again. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna make a drink for all you guys. This drink is so easy. This is when we did young back in Jamaica, like 9-year-old, 8-year-old, you know? where your mother and your father couldn't provide the real drink, you know? So this one is syrup and lime juice. So me I'm gonna make this drink for you right now. Syrup and lime juice. So first, see the lime juice here and the grace syrup, you know? Fruit punch syrup and lime juice. Right now. So now I'm gonna pour in the syrup first. Yeah, man. After the syrup, pour some lime juice. Or the real lime, you cut and put in there. See that? And then I'm gonna use like 4 or 5 buckets of water. That's one. Two. I don't know, I might use 3. I don't want to make a lot. That's 3. Then you stir it and taste it perfection, you know? Get a spoon, stir it, you know? And this we used to drink when we mother cook dumpling and flash out tin mackerel with syrup and lime. Who remember them days? Leave a comments, you know. Who remember them days, you know. So now you taste it, you know. If you need more syrup or lime. Oh wait, it's nice. Take a little more syrup. Yeah. Make a next stir. See that? Taste again. Take more. I forget. Real perfect. Alright. I think that should be. Oh yeah. That's it. And guess what next to go night, guys? What do you think I'm going at next? Some ice. Put some ice in it. And you're good to go, you know? So I'm gonna pour some ice in it. Don't go nowhere. Check my little video. Get some ice out of the fridge door. Ice. Some more. Yeah, man. See that? So we are putting in our fridge now for chill. This is called syrup and lime juice. You know? Real drink. So you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, back in the America kitchen. But now I'm gonna pour in the rice. Rice time, you know? Let the rice cook. Cover it up back. See, I'll leave everything for cook now, so stay tuned. Check in guys, check in again. In the Jamaica kitchen. Alright, the all-in-one is ready. Cook and ready. See it there? See that? Yeah. So it's rice, white bean, chicken neck, chicken feet, brown stew with milk, coconut milk. See there, all in one. And don't forget the the sweet potato. I put sweet potato in it. Sorry. Yeah man, so ready? Guys, you want to try this all in one? You want to try this food?
Try it.
Yeah,
Test
taste
it
it.
out.
Yeah.
I'll take it back.
Yeah, so that's the more test it. So I'm gonna give that a little, test it, and make him tell me about it, okay? With some of the syrup and lime juice. So you guys stay tuned. Okay guys, see there? So I'm gonna make Pops try it out. So I'm gonna bring him the rice first. Alright.
Thank you.
But may get some of this juice that I make where you can try it too, you know? Alright.
Thank you, sir.
So you try it out. Try the juice first and tell me. Yeah man, that's our scout, you know. That's syrup and lime juice, you know?
Yeah.
All native.
That's good.
Yeah man. Yeah, digging into the all in one now. Alright, you might set up in juice properly, you know?
Yeah.
You don't want to water up on the table. Alright, so that's a dive in at the all in one.
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go to work now.
Yes. You like it?
Right on time.
Alright. So that's it. It's right on time. So
Right on time.
that's yeah man, so that was it for the cooking in the Jamaica kitchen. Yeah man, so you guys stay tuned. Alright, it's your boy Chef Milo here. Yeah, so that concludes the end of this video. So wait for the next video. You know? Or watch the video to the end. Big up all of my subscribers again. I'm a new subscriber, large up on yourself. Respect Drew and everything. Just keep on watching our video. Milo and Jamaica YouTube channel. And respect and one love every time. Wait for the next video. See? Look on.